To me.
Bombs away! Tune man on the wall, you pull up. And you say, bomb drop. You see that song, yeah? It's a bubbling song. And you see when that song you start play, you want to see the girl them a bubble like when you throw sod up in the water. Water, water, water.
Turn up this, and turn up this. How we coming off and burn up this. One to them. You see that song there? When you play from the entry to the outro, when you play everything, when you play till it's done, cause the people them want fun. When you play from the first verse to the second verse, third verse, worse. Play the song there, play everything.
Walk and live, dark and bumbuckler dead.
Yes, they are road, acted turf, we yes, they are road. Me a listen what them a saying up, me a hear what them a playing up. Me say me yes, they are road, acted so.
Do I make you horny, baby?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Me say that tune the back, drape it up, start it from top.
Go round it now. Chat all you want. Chat all you want. Sawa. Chat all you want. Wanna ride it out?
I know you gonna dig this.
Listen already now. Anybody else are here with it? Remember who you're here with it first.
With respect to all reggae dancers, I must have heard why you say it. Now from Kingston, Jamaica, we present to you.
Lift up that, pull up that, drop that, wheel that again. At it, sawa. Pull up that, pull up, hey, pull, yeah, pull, hey, yeah. I'm at, hey, yeah, I'm at half, pull up that, another, sawa. Pull up that, go round it now, go round it now, go on now, go round it now. At it, it's a roundabout.
Now it is. That's winter inside Chinkala. Ha ha. Make them know. You heard? So what we say? Right. Me say so, boy. See. Wilbur, you mother call you.
Yes, alright, new thing, new thing, new thing, new thing.
Music now. Here comes the music.
Yes, alright, new thing, new thing, new thing, new thing.